just like me, so this is a good thing. Another night ruined, I don't even know when we became this way. Now you're acting so different than when.
Hi everyone! Muli po tayo nagbabalik para sa isa na namang tech gear unboxing at first impression video. And today, gaya na nakita niyo sa ating intro, we'll have a quick unboxing para i-check itong isa sa mga pinaka-compact at capable na motorized gimbal sa market today, lalo na for your mirrorless setups. Ito yung DJI Ronin SC. This was released back in 2019 and I believe nasa around 21,000 pesos ang SRP nito nung release just for the standard package and around 28,000 naman for the Pro Combo version na may kasamang focus motor for your manual focus pulling. And luckily, dahil kakalabas lang this December ng DJI RSC2 at ng Ronin RS2 na sinabayan pa ng DJI store-wide sale nila, nakuha na lang natin ito sa halagang 13,990 at available pa rin ito sa DJI store sa SM Mega Mall. And as we begin the unboxing, mapapansin natin ang tatak DJI sa outside look ng packaging niya. Minimal ang designs and branding sa labas. After removing the cardboard sleeves, bali itong hard styro na din ang magsaserve as the protective case ng gimbal at lahat ng accessories sa loob. And as we open the case, inside makikita natin kung gaano kadetalyado si DJI pagdating sa packaging nila. Every parts and accessories has its own dedicated cutouts for proper storage at para na rin secure ito against bumps and sudden drops. Inside the box, una nating makikita ay ang user guide at limited warranty paperworks. Sunod ay ang battery grip, which is capable of powering the gimbal for up to 11 hours straight. Next ay a mobile phone holder na you can attach sa gilid ng gimbal or sa taas ng camera for active tracking. Next ay ang quick release plate na mas maliit compared sa Ronin S. Set ng screws for the riser and some Allen wrenches. Lens support kung gagamit ka ng mahabang lens. Extended grip, which also serves as a tripod. Of course, the gimbal itself. And various sets ng cables both to charge your gimbal as well as to set a direct connection with your camera. And here are some quick specs pagdating sa battery life, maximum payload capacity, at intelligent features ng Ronin SC. And that's about it for now. Sa susunod ko pong upload, I'll be sharing some real-world tests, footages taken gamit itong Ronin SC. We'll be including its creative features including yung Force Mobile, active tracking, motion lapse at marami pang iba. Muli, maraming salamat sa mga nag-subscribe after watching my other videos. This has been Planet Jeremiah. Stay safe!